Welcome back. Here is an analysis on Z Mains Examinations 2021 Phase 4 Shift 2 conducted on August 27. And this analysis includes percentile versus marks, expected cutoffs for various categories of students and difficulty level of the question paper. Let us take a look at the difficulty level of the question paper. Mathematics. Mathematics paper is said to be lengthy and difficult. The total number of easy questions in this paper are 7, moderate questions are 10, and difficult questions are 13 in number. Interestingly, physics paper has come easier. The total number of easy questions are 15, moderate questions are 9 in number, and difficult questions are 6. Contrary to all the previous Z Mains examinations, chemistry paper has been given easy to moderate level. The total number of easy questions in chemistry paper are said to be 11 in number, moderate questions are 10, and difficult questions are 9. Let us have a look at the category-wise cutoffs of percentiles and marks. A general category student should get the percentile range between 90 and 93 and should get the marks range between 93 and 96. An EWS category student requires the percentile range between 85 and 87, for which he needs to score the marks between 70 and 75. Similarly, an OBC category student should get the percentile range between 85 and 87 and he needs to score the marks between 70 and 75. If an SC category student gets the marks range between 55 and 60, he would get the percentile between 63 and 67. On the other hand, an ST category student needs the percentile range between 42 and 46 and should score the marks range between 48 and 52. Here we go for expected marks for various percentiles. If a student achieves the percentile range between 99.90 and 99.99, he would get the marks range between 220 and 290. If at all a student wants to score the percentile range between 97 and 99, he must score the marks range between 140 and 220. If a student seeks the percentile range between 95 and 97, he needs to score the marks range between 100 and 140. For the percentile between 93 and 95, the expected marks range should be between 85 and 100. For the percentile range between 90 and 93, the marks range between 75 and 85. If a student gets the percentile range between 86 and 90, he must get the marks range between 65 and 75. If you get the percentile between 80 and 85, you need to score the marks between 45 and 65. This is all about the brief analysis of Shift 2 Z Main examination conducted on August 27 of 2021. Dear students, here is a disclaimer for you. This analysis is purely based on students' responses and experts' views on the question paper. The actual result may vary with the statistics shown here. Stay connected to this channel for the upcoming reviews of Z Mains examinations.